Deep in the ancient rainforests of Southeast Asia, the Rhinoceros Hornbill rules the canopy with a call that echoes for miles. Its massive horn-like casque isn't just decoration, it amplifies sound and helps it mark territory. With a distribution tied to towering old-growth trees, this species relies on untouched forests for nesting and survival. In a world that grows louder and smaller, the rhinoceros hornbill's greatest adaptation is its ability to guard the sky and vanish into the highest branches long before it's ever seen.